back with our two little Talbotini and little Indy, the little pit bull. So we're in a completely strange location. We're going to practice Talbotini. You do want to do this. I mean, you know, you need to have a controlled environment. I mean, obviously, you know, we're professional drivers, but, you know, when they're this age, you've still got an advantage because they are going to be, you know, less likely just to take off. Now that's going to vary from individual to individual. Indy! We have started them on the healing and all that, but this is really, because we're on a little bit of a time crunch today, this is really the foundation for all that. Talbotini! Oh, and bad news, you guys, they're not able to make a sound box for the IQ. So we're going to figure out something. I told Sonia we're going to take the remote to Radio Shack and figure out if a baby monitor or anything can pick it up. Talbotini! You guys know that about me. I'm not the type that said, well, they can't make the sound box, so I'm giving up. We will make the sound box. We will make our own sound box if we have to. And Indy, boy, he is getting big. He's getting huge. He's a good little eater, though. Anyway, you guys, they're both doing great. So Talbotini is for sale, only to the most special home now, because she is a little girl. Oh, look at him already feeling. Oh, look at him. That'll be the video a few months down the road, the tandem video of Talbotini and Indy. Talbotini! Alright, you guys, more updates soon.